Why do you need to use texture compression? In my experience, games, especially in the casual sector, especially on the mobile sector, the textures are the assets that are the worst offenders in many different metrics. I'm talking about the package size. This could be the famous case. If you upload any game to Steam or to Nintendo Switch or to iOS, textures can very well be taking at least 70% of your package size, sometimes even going up to 90%. That's already a problem that is big enough, by the way, because if a user sees a game on the store that takes 2 gigabytes of space on mobile, then the chances are that they are just not going to download it. First, they are not going to have enough space. Second, if they are not on Wi-Fi, they will not want to pay that amount of money for downloading that through 4G or 5G, whatever it is. And third, even if they do all of that, at some point they will want to free up some space, and Androids and other devices, of course, sort these packages by package size, and they will just uninstall your game if it comes to be, at the top of the list.